Welcome back to another episode of Miss Marissa Moments. Today, we're making a snowflake. Now it's winter, so we can make snowflakes to put them on our window.
You're going to take a piece of paper. It can be a regular piece of paper, or you can cut it down to be a square, but we're going to make a square. So we're going to just fold one corner over to the edge of our paper, and we're going to just crease it like that. So I just took one over like that and creased it. There's all different ways you can make snowflakes. Yep. This is just one example. And you can leave your snowflake plain, or you can put glitter on it or color it. So now it looks like this. We're going to cut off this part right here. Now we're going to take this triangle and we're going to fold it in half. Make sure the ends are lined up good. You could fold it again if you wanted, but it'll make pretty thick to cut, so we're going to just do it like that one time. I'll help you on this step next, okay. But you're going to take it to the middle and kind of get it up here in the top, and then this other side you're going to fold over too. It might not be a perfect fold, but you want to get somewhat close. So I just folded it to the middle, and then you see on the back of this tail, we're going to cut it off. Alright, I'm going to do that to Marissa's here. Okay, and those are trash. Now it looks like this, so we're going to fold it one more time. Yep. There you go, and crease it really good. Up here at the top even. Okay, now we don't want to cut all of this fold, because if we do, our snowflake will fall apart, but we can cut on part of it. And we can even cut this little tip off. That'll put a circle in the middle of your snowflake. So Marissa's going to take her marker, and she's just going to make some designs that she thinks would be good. Nothing fancy, maybe a line, maybe just a little square, maybe a zigzag line. Okay, I don't know if you can see the pink or not, but I made a zigzag line here, kind of a square, kind of an oval, and a little tip off of that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut on the zigzag line, kind of follow that. And then I'm going to cut my little rectangle square part out. I don't want to cut all the way across the snowflake or it'll fall apart, so you can't do that. I'm going to do kind of a little oval kind of shape. If you get your paper too thick, it's really hard to cut, so you don't want to fold it too many times. And then I'm going to cut off the tip. Okay, hold on to that for me. Let's see hers. Okay, she made kind of a square.
Square, a line, and a
circle. Okay. Let's see, we're going to make her have a zigzag line instead of just a straight line. And actually I'm not going to cut her circle, because we're going to let that just stay like that. And we're going to round her edges a little bit. Okay, are we ready to open them up and see what our snowflake looks like? Are you ready?
Yeah. And here is mine.
Very nice. So you can make all kinds of different shapes and sizes. Just don't forget, you don't want to cut all the fold or your snowflake will fall apart. Yep. Don't you think you could do this with different colored paper?
Yes, you can.
Yeah, we could glitter it.
You can glitter, you can use cardstock, you can use paint.
Yeah. Cardstock might be kind of hard to fold, but if you had not too many folds, it might work. So I think we did it. We can decorate our
Yep.
window.
See you next time on Miss Marissa Moments.